my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am here to bring you an unboxing for Lovevery. Now, Lovevery is a subscription box based on your child's life stage at the time. So a bunch of experts got together and developed these kits based on your child's life stage. Now, this box I have is a play kit. It is for ages 3 to 4 months, and it's called the Charmer. Now, they have, okay, so from 0 to 12 months, you get a box every 2 months for about $80. There is tax and shipping that you need to pay after that, so it's like around $88. And then after a year, so 1 year to 3 years, they have a box and they send that to you every 3 months. And you get that from age 1 all the way up to 3. Now, that one is $120, of course, plus shipping and handling. They also have a store, a shop online, that you can buy play accessories, storage, play mats, play gyms, all kinds of fun stuff. Now, again, this box is for 3 to 4 months, which is about the age that my grandchild is in. As you can tell by my background, I am in another location. I am at my son's house in Alamogordo, New Mexico. It is a beautiful morning, and stop talking, Christine. Let's get to the box. So when you open it, you will have a piece of cardboard over this. And once you take the cardboard off, that's what it looks like. Now, this is a black and white art print that they can poke at. You can say dog, snake, cat, cactus. These are things that they encourage, is constantly talking to your baby in like a little baby voice. And then on the other side is a mirror. It has these little slots so that you can put it on the side of a crib or a playpen. So that's really cool. And now after you take that off, this is what the inside of the box looks like. It says, designed by experts for your baby's developing brain. And there's some pretty cool stuff in here. So we have a book that tells you about talking to your baby. It's just a matter of, let's go do the dishes. How was your day? I had a dream last night, and you just talk to your baby. We have little black and white cards. So we have they're double-sided. Black and white is a very easy color for your little baby to look at. Here's another one. And there's even a little, I think this is a sticky. No, maybe not. Little mirror. So you've got that. Oh, there is so much in here. This is the little booklet that tells you what to do with everything inside the box, how to use them right. And they have expert tips in here about tummy time, play time, learning time. It is full of great information. Then we have a crinkle bag. It has a little pocket here, and it also has a pocket here. This is for when they're holding and exploring the item. And then inside here we have this thing. This is like a book. And you can put pictures in here. And these are also crinkle, and some have a whistle or I'm sorry, a little squeaky. All these different ribbons for texture, for all kinds of sensory. Another little flap, put another picture in there, another picture in there. I mean, this is some great stuff. Oh, and there's even a little pocket on the back you can put something in. What else have we got? We have a little wooden toy here. That's good for tummy time. They can roll it. They can grab onto this very easily. They even have, this is an organic teething cloth. It is made out of 70% bamboo and 30% organic cotton. So when they're slobbering a lot, you can put it inside, like this is a rubber teething ring, and you can put stuff like this in here, and they can hold it. All kinds of great ideas. Here's another silicone teething ring. And then we have, this is for hand to hand. It's wooden. Kind of looks like bamboo. And then we have an awesome wooden rattle. A nice small place for them to grab. And that is all that's inside the box. I think this is a wonderful gift idea for all of our grandchildren out there, if you have one, or if you're a parent that needs some really good development ideas. This box can work for you. And they also have, again, they have a store, so you don't have to subscribe to the box. And if you do subscribe, you can cancel anytime. And that's what I have for you today. I am so glad that you came by. Somebody decided to do some weed whacking over there at the apartment complex. Anyway, I'm glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.